All right. So today we're going to be taking a deep dive into clean eating.
Ooh, fun.
And we've got a great YouTube video here to help guide us.
Okay.
It's from Green Healthy Cooking.
All right, I'm familiar with them.
Yeah, and they basically walk us through a full day of eating clean.
Okay.
But, I think what's interesting is that this video goes beyond just like, here are the recipes you should be eating.
Right.
It kind of gives us those little nuggets of advice, too, about how to make clean eating.
Like strategy and
Exactly. Like strategy, tips.
mindset.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
I feel like that.
we'll be able to pull all those out and share them with everyone listening.
Awesome.
So
Yeah.
they start off the day with breakfast, obviously.
Of course, got to start the day off, right?
Kind of fuel yourself up, right?
Yeah.
And they've got a recipe for overnight oats.
Oh, yeah. Those are so simple and easy.
So easy. And, it's funny because it almost feels like cheating.
It does. Like you're not even trying.
You're not even trying.
And
it's good for you.
exactly. And that's one of the things I love about overnight oats is that they're so easy,
Yeah.
but also the science behind them is really fascinating.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So like when you soak the oats overnight,
Mm-hmm.
it actually helps to break down something called phytic acid.
Okay.
And that makes the nutrients in the oats more bioavailable for your body.
Oh, so you absorb them better.
Exactly.
So it's not just about convenience.
It's like a little nutrition hack.
That's so cool. So how do we actually make these overnight oats?
Well, it's super simple. All you need are old-fashioned rolled oats.
Not the quick cooking kind.
No. Those are too processed.
Got it.
Stick to the old-fashioned kind.
Okay.
And then you just add your milk of choice.
Oh, so any kind of milk is fine.
Yep. Almond milk, oat milk, soy milk, regular cow's milk, whatever you prefer.
Cool.
And then you just mix it all together, pop it in the fridge overnight,
Okay.
and voila! In the morning, you have a delicious and nutritious breakfast waiting for you.
So simple. But I've also heard that soaking oats overnight can help with digestion.
That's true. It helps break down those complex carbs,
Yep.
making them easier on your gut.
Got it.
Plus, overnight oats are packed with fiber,
Which is good.
which keeps you feeling full and satisfied.
Oh, that's awesome. And I guess that ties into the whole clean eating philosophy of like fueling your body with good stuff.
Exactly. It's all about nourishing your body from the inside out.
Awesome. Okay. So we've got our overnight oats in the fridge, soaking.
Yep, they're working their magic.
But let's be honest, I like to add a little something extra to my breakfast.
No, me too. Plain oats can be a little boring.
Exactly. So what do they recommend in the video?
Well, they kept it pretty simple with some fresh berries and a drizzle of maple syrup.
Okay. So like classic toppings.
Yeah, but honestly, you can get as creative as you want.
Ooh, now we're talking.
You could add some nut butter.
Ooh, like peanut butter, almond butter.
Yes. Or maybe some chia seeds for extra omega-3s.
Huh?
Or even a dollop of yogurt for a protein boost.
So many possibilities. All right, so
Breakfast is served.
breakfast is served, but we've got a whole day of clean eating ahead of us.
I know. I'm excited to see what's next.
Me too. What about lunch?
Well, for lunch, they use this amazing kitchen gadget that I personally love.
Ooh, tell me.
The Instant Pot.
Oh, the Instant Pot. I love my Instant Pot.
It's a lifesaver, right? Seriously.
Especially on those busy weeknights.
For real.
Yeah.
And in this video, they use it to make 2 clean eating staples at the same time.
Whoa. 2 at the same time. Like what?
Quinoa and hard-boiled eggs.
Wow. That's amazing. So efficient.
Right. It's like the ultimate meal prep hack.
It's like set it and forget it.
Exactly. And then you have these ingredients ready to go for multiple meals throughout the week.
I'm sold. So how do we do it? What's the secret to this Instant Pot magic?
Okay, so first you're going to put a cup of quinoa and a cup of water in the Instant Pot.
Okay. Quinoa and water.
Then you'll need a trivet.
Like the little metal stand.
Yeah, exactly. And you're going to place your eggs on the trivet, making sure they're above the water line.
Got it.
Then you seal the lid, set it to manual high pressure for just 1 minute.
1 minute. That's it.
That's it. And then you let it naturally release for about 10 minutes.
Okay, so pretty hands-off after that initial setup.
Exactly. And when it's done, you'll have perfectly cooked quinoa and hard-boiled eggs.
Ready to be added to all sorts of delicious meals.
Precisely. And speaking of meals, this brings us to the lunch recipe featured in the video.
Ooh, okay, I'm intrigued.
It's a beautiful and vibrant lunch bowl.
I love a good lunch bowl.
Me too.
Yeah.
They're so easy to assemble, and they're packed with nutrients.
Okay, so what's in this one?
Well, of course, it features our perfectly cooked quinoa and hard-boiled eggs.
Well, of course. The stars of the show.
Right. And then they add in some fresh veggies like Lebanese cucumber, carrots, grape tomatoes, and parsley.
Oh, wow, that sounds so colorful and fresh.
It is. And then they just toss it all together with a simple lemon juice and olive oil dressing.
Okay, so super simple dressing.
Yep. Just a little bit of lemon juice, olive oil, salt, and pepper.
Sounds delicious.
Right.
And I bet all those fresh veggies are so satisfying.
They are. And this recipe really highlights the importance of incorporating a variety of vegetables into your diet.
Totally. Because different veggies have different nutrients.
Exactly. So by eating a rainbow of colors, you're ensuring that you're getting a wide range of vitamins and minerals.
It makes sense. And it keeps things interesting, too.
For sure. Okay, so we've covered the hard-boiled eggs.
Yep.
But let's talk a little bit more about quinoa.
Okay. I'm always hearing about how quinoa is like the super grain.
It kind of is. It's a complete protein, which means it contains all 9 essential amino acids.
Which is important because...
Our bodies can't produce those on their own, so we need to get them from our diet. And it's also a good source of fiber and iron.
Okay.
Plus, it has a lower glycemic index compared to other grains like white rice or couscous.
So it won't spike your blood sugar as much.
Exactly, which means you'll have sustained energy throughout the day.
I like the sound of that. Okay, so we've got breakfast, lunch.
Yeah, it's time for dinner.
I'm getting hungry just thinking about it. What's on the menu for dinner?
They have a recipe for pan-fried chicken thighs with sweet potatoes and asparagus.
Oh, that sounds so good. I love that combination of savory and sweet.
It's so delicious, and it's actually really easy to make.
Okay, tell me more.
So they season the chicken thighs with a simple blend of spices.
Like what kind of spices?
Paprika, oregano, chili powder, salt, and pepper.
Okay, so like classic chicken seasoning.
Yep. And then they pan-fry the chicken thighs along with some sliced sweet potatoes.
Yep.
And towards the end, they add a splash of water and some asparagus.
Okay.
Then they cover the pan and let everything steam until it's nice and tender.
I can almost smell it now. It sounds amazing.
It is. And it's a really balanced meal, too.
In terms of nutrition.
Yeah. You've got lean protein from the chicken thighs, complex carbs from the sweet potatoes,
Okay.
and tons of vitamins and minerals from the asparagus.
So it's like the perfect clean eating dinner.
It really is. And, it's not just about the individual meals. They also
What?
talk about this 6-week clean eating challenge.
6 weeks. That's like a real commitment.
It is. But there's a reason for that time frame.
What is it?
Well, 6 weeks is often considered the amount of time it takes to form a new habit.
Oh, that makes sense.
Yeah, so if you can stick to clean eating for 6 weeks straight.
It becomes like second nature.
Exactly, and you'll start to experience all the amazing benefits of clean eating.
Like what kind of benefits?
Increased energy, better digestion, improved sleep, even clearer skin.
Wow. That's impressive.
It's amazing what can happen when you start fueling your body with the right foods.
Totally. Okay, so we've got our meals planned out. We're committed to this 6-week challenge.
We're on our way to clean eating success.
But I think it's time to dive a little deeper into the practicalities of making this a sustainable lifestyle.
Yeah, how do we make this something we can stick with long term?
Exactly. Because life gets busy.
It does.
So we need some strategies to stay on track.
I think the video has some great tips for that.
Okay, awesome. I'm ready to learn.
Me too. I think our listeners are going to get a lot out of this.
I think so too.
So let's dive in.
Let's do it.
One of the biggest things people struggle with is when they're trying to eat clean is like, how do you actually shop?
Oh my God, the grocery store.
The grocery store, it can be so overwhelming.
It's so true. Like you walk in and there's
aisles and aisles.
so much stuff.
Yeah.
And it's like, how do you know what's actually healthy?
Right. Like, is this clean? Is that clean? It's confusing.
It is. It is.
So the video gives a really simple tip
Okay.
that I think is super helpful.
I'm listening.
Stick to the perimeter of the store.
Okay.
That's where you're generally going to find
Oh, that's interesting.
the freshest,
Okay.
least processed foods,
So like,
your produce,
Okay.
your meats,
mm-hmm.
your whole grains, things like that.
So basically, avoid those inner aisles as much as possible.
Well, not completely. I mean, there are definitely some clean eating staples that you can find in the inner aisles.
Like what?
Canned beans,
Oh, yeah?
nuts and seeds, even some healthy snack options.
Okay.
But the key is
Yeah.
you got to become a label detective.
I love that. A label
You
detective.
got to really scrutinize those labels.
So what should we be looking for?
Okay, the big things to avoid are added sugars,
Okay. Added sugar.
preservatives,
Mm-hmm.
artificial flavors,
Okay.
and unhealthy fats.
Okay.
Basically, if the ingredient list is a mile long
Yeah.
and you can't pronounce half the things on there,
Yeah, it's probably not good.
probably a good sign to put it back.
I agree. So it's really about reading those labels carefully.
Absolutely. Knowledge is power.
It's true. But, even when we're trying to eat clean,
Yeah.
sometimes those cravings hit.
Oh, tell me about it.
Like for those less than healthy foods.
It happens to the best of us.
It does. It does.
What
So
do we do about that?
what's your take on cheat meals or treats when you're trying to eat clean?
Okay, that's a great question.
Yeah.
And I think it's important to remember that completely restricting yourself
Yeah.
can actually backfire.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah, like if you're constantly telling yourself you can't have something,
You want it more.
you're going to want it even more. And then when you finally do give in,
You go overboard.
you might go overboard.
Yeah.
So it's all about finding a balance.
Okay, so you're not saying we have to completely give up pizza and ice cream.
No way. Those are some of life's greatest pleasures.
They are. So it's more about,
Moderation.
moderation.
And intention.
Okay.
So instead of viewing it as cheating,
Right.
think of it as a planned treat.
Okay, I like that.
Something you can savor and enjoy without guilt.
So it's more about making a conscious choice
Exactly.
and enjoying it.
Yes. It's all about finding what works for you.
Okay, so we've talked about the grocery shopping, we've talked about those cravings,
Yeah.
but what about the long-term benefits of clean eating?
Ooh, the benefits are amazing.
Tell me everything.
Okay, so first of all, you'll probably notice an increase in your energy levels.
Okay, more energy.
Yep. And your digestion will likely improve too.
That's always a good thing.
Right. And you might even find that you sleep better.
Ooh, I could use some better sleep.
Who couldn't?
Right.
And some people even notice that their skin clears up.
Wow. So it's like a whole body transformation?
It really is. And then, of course, there are the long-term health benefits.
Like what?
Well, eating clean can help reduce your risk of chronic diseases.
Like heart disease and diabetes.
Exactly.
That's amazing. So it's really an investment in your future health.
Absolutely. You're giving your body the nutrients it needs to thrive.
I love that. But, it can be a little overwhelming
Oh, yeah.
for someone who's just starting out with clean eating.
Totally. It's like, where do I even begin?
There's so much information out there. So what advice would you give to someone who's brand new to this?
I would say start small.
Okay.
Don't try to change everything overnight.
Right.
Just focus on making one small change at a time.
Like what?
Maybe start by incorporating one clean meal into your day.
Okay.
Or swapping out sugary drinks for water.
So like baby steps.
Exactly. And as you start to see those small changes making a difference,
Yeah.
you'll feel more motivated to keep going.
It's like building momentum.
Exactly. It becomes a positive feedback loop.
I like that. But let's be real. Life happens.
Oh, it does.
We get busy. We have social events.
Right.
And sometimes those perfectly planned meals just don't happen.
I know. So how do we stay on track when things get crazy?
Well, that's where the video really emphasizes planning and preparation,
Okay.
like meal prepping. Having healthy options already made.
Yeah. So if you have like pre-chopped veggies in your fridge or some cooked quinoa.
Or those hard-boiled eggs from our Instant Pot adventure.
Exactly. You're less likely to reach for something unhealthy when you're short on time.
Because it's just easy.
Exactly. It's all about making healthy choices the easy choice.
So true. But even with the best planning,
Right.
sometimes you just find yourself in a situation where,
You don't have your healthy option.
right, if you're at a restaurant
Yeah.
or you're at a friend's house.
So what do you do then?
Well, I think it's about making the best choices you can in the moment.
Okay. That makes sense.
Like maybe choose grilled or baked dishes over fried foods.
Okay.
Load up on veggies whenever possible.
Mm-hmm.
Be mindful of your portion sizes.
So basically just try to make healthy choices within the context of the situation.
Exactly. And not beat yourself up if you don't always get it perfect.
Right. It's not about perfection. It's about progress.
And speaking of progress, they talk about this interesting phenomenon in the video
Oh, yeah?
where after 6 weeks of clean eating,
Mm-hmm.
people start to notice that their cravings actually change.
Oh, wow. That's so interesting.
Yeah, like those sugary processed foods that used to be so tempting.
Yeah.
They just don't seem as appealing anymore.
So your taste buds actually change.
It's like your body starts to crave those healthier foods.
That's amazing.
Isn't that cool?
It is. It's like your body is finally getting the nutrients it needs.
Yeah.
And it's like, thank you. I feel so much better.
So it's not just about willpower.
Right.
It's about actually changing your body's desires.
I love that. So it becomes a natural progression.
Totally. It's like you're creating this positive feedback loop.
Yeah. You eat well, you feel good, so you want to keep eating well.
It's a beautiful cycle.
Yeah.
But we've been focusing a lot on the practical side of things.
Yeah.
And I think it's also important to acknowledge the mental and emotional aspects of clean eating.
Oh, absolutely. I think that's a huge part of it.
Because it's not just about the food.
It's about how you feel about yourself.
Yeah. and your relationship with food.
So let's talk about that.
Let's do it. Okay, so we've talked a lot about like the actual, like what to eat,
Yeah.
the recipes and meal prepping and all that.
Practical stuff.
But there's this whole other side to clean eating that I think is so important.
Absolutely.
And that's like the mental and emotional part.
Yeah.
Because it's not just about like shoving healthy food in your mouth.
Right.
It's also
It's
about
your mindset.
Exactly.
It's about how you feel about yourself, your
Yeah.
relationship with food.
Totally. Like, are you being kind to yourself?
Exactly. Self-care is a huge part of clean eating.
Yeah, because if you're constantly beating yourself up for like having a cookie or something,
Right.
that's not going to help you stick to your goals.
It's not sustainable.
It's not.
You know, we're not striving for perfection here. We're aiming for progress.
Totally. Like, there are going to be times when you slip up.
Oh, yeah.
You know, you have a slice of cake at a birthday party.
It happens.
It happens. And that's okay.
You just got to acknowledge it
Yeah.
and move on.
Don't dwell on it.
Exactly. Don't let it derail your whole journey.
And I think sometimes those slip-ups can actually be helpful
Really? How so?
because they can teach you about yourself.
Okay.
Like,
yeah.
what are your triggers?
Mm.
What situations make it harder for you to stick to your clean eating goals?
So you can learn from those experiences.
Exactly. And then you can come up with strategies to handle those situations better next time.
That's a really good point. So it's all about turning those setbacks into learning opportunities.
I love that. But, you know, sometimes it can be hard to, like, quiet that negative self-talk.
Oh, yeah. Those negative thoughts can be so loud.
It can. So, like, what are some ways to cultivate a more positive mindset around food?
Well, one thing I find really helpful is to focus on gratitude.
Okay.
Instead of thinking about what you're restricting,
Right.
focus on all the amazing foods you're adding to your diet.
So, like, instead of being sad that you can't have that donut, be excited about that delicious bowl of fruit you're having.
Exactly. And really savor those flavors.
Yeah. And appreciate the nourishment it's giving your body.
And I think that ties into the whole idea of mindful eating. Really being present when you're eating. Paying attention to the taste, the texture.
Chewing your food.
Yes.
All of that.
Because sometimes you just like shovel food in our mouths.
Especially when we're busy.
And we don't even really taste it.
Exactly. So slowing down and being mindful can make a big difference.
So it's like shifting your focus from what you're giving up to what you're gaining.
I love that. It's a much more positive way to approach it.
Yeah. It's about abundance, not deprivation.
And, you know, we started this whole conversation talking about the practical side of clean eating.
Right, like the recipes and the meal prep.
But we've come full circle now,
We have.
recognizing that the mental and emotional aspects are just as important.
Totally. It's all interconnected.
It is. Our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors all play a role in our relationship with food.
And when we create a more positive and supportive inner environment,
Yeah.
it makes it easier to make healthier choices.
It's like a ripple effect.
It is.
Positive changes in one area can lead to positive changes in other areas. Love that. So I think it's safe to say that clean eating is more than just a diet.
It's a lifestyle.
It's a way of life.
It's a journey of self-discovery and self-care.
And, you know, it's not a one-size-fits-all approach.
Right. Everyone's journey is going to look different.
Exactly. It's about finding what works for you.
And honoring your body's unique needs.
Totally. But no matter what your clean eating journey looks like,
Yeah,
remember to be kind to yourself along the way.
absolutely. Progress, not perfection.
It's so important to celebrate those small wins.
Yes. And don't be afraid to reach out for support.
There's a whole community of people out there who are passionate about clean eating.
And they're happy to share their tips and experiences.
So find your tribe.
And enjoy the journey.
I think that's the perfect note to end on.
I agree.
So thank you so much for joining us on this deep dive into clean eating.
It's been a pleasure.
And remember,
Yeah.
clean eating is about nourishing your body,
Mm-hmm.
feeling your best.
And living a vibrant and healthy life.
Until next time, happy eating.